Danau rendah,
Is the waterfall?
danau tinggi.
Danau rendah, danau tinggi maksudnya danau di atas, danau di bawah.
Ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi bersama Sastri Bakri Channel, tempat berbagi ilmu, berbagi cerita, berbagi budaya. Hari ini kita ketemu ada tamu luar biasa dari Spanyol, Frederick dan Baginda, dan Els Cortals. Mereka berdua adalah delegasi internasional Minangkabau Literacy Festival. Mari kita tanya kepada beliau ini kesan mereka selama mengikuti International Minangkabau Literacy Festival. Okay, Els, how are you?
Hi.
Good.
Fine.
Thanks.
We had a fantastic time here.
You look so happy here.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
yeah.
enjoy
And
it.
then,
Yes.
and then you look so younger than before.
Yeah.
That's true. That is true.
Yes, yes. Sebagai barat.
I have
For us.
three questions.
Yeah.
Okay. First, how your kesan ya? Dan can speak in Indonesia bahasa. If I don't understand, you can
Yeah.
translate about what I mean.
Okay.
Ask, how do you think about the International Minangkabau Literacy Festival?
Yeah. For me, it was fantastic. The whole festival. Very diverse. And yes, day and night. It was 1 week without end. It was fantastic. And the surroundings, the surrounding for the festival, the place where is the festival in Lazo. Yeah, that was beautiful.
Okay.
And the program was beautiful. It was changing, and also the food.
De organisatie is
The
goed.
organization was fantastic.
Boleh diterjemahkan ke apa maksud Els biar teman-teman yang lain tahu?
Tentang ke festival, dia senang sekali, bagus sekali, indah sekali, and ya organisasinya
Oh,
bagus.
A very nice program.
Ya, jadi Els
Every day.
mengatakan programnya luar biasa ya,
Yeah.
di dalam maupun di luar,
Correct.
siang maupun malam, ya kan?
Mau siang.
International.
Dan diikuti
very
oleh 12 negara.
Interesting.
So, how do you think about the culinary in West Sumatra?
Oh, clean.
Clean, not tasty, or very,
No,
very nice.
no, that is the
Nice.
nature is very nice. The
The
nature,
nature is very nice.
But it is
Alamnya
a
oke,
pity-
indah, ya.
It's a pity that
Kemudian makanannya,
the people are not clean. The people.
oh, the people not clean.
No, on the street, in the street. everywhere.
Ondeh-mandeh. Ondeh-mandeh.
on the streets.
Orangnya di jalanan maksudnya.
Yes,
Yang di
streets
jalan
are full plastic and
tidak-
papers.
tidak
But the
bersih.
nature is
Ya.
so beautiful.
Tapi alamnya bagus sekali.
Isn't it?
Makanannya, the
Hebat.
food,
Oh, the makanan is fantastic.
makanannya
food, you can
Padang
choose.
food ya.
And what you take, that you pay.
Ya.
And what you don't pay, you don't pay. That's nice.
Why you can
system.
pay?
What you don't eat, you don't have to pay. Yeah?
Ya,
You
ya.
pay only what you
What you eat.
What you
Ya,
eat.
ya,
Ya,
itulah
yes.
istimewa restoran Padang.
Ya.
Semuanya diletakkan, tetapi tidak semuanya dibayar,
Yes.
kecuali yang kita makan.
Yes.
Oke, sudah kemana saja dan Frederick?
Solo.
Solo,
Is Balikpapan, maar is.
in West Sumatra.
Nee, West Sumatra.
West Sumatra.
Allahum
Alahan Panjai.
Panjai.
Ya, ya.
Panjai. And yeah, surrounding van Basso.
Baso, sekeliling Baso,
And ja, Maninjau.
Maninjau,
Maninjau, the lake. Very
Maninjau
nice.
Lake,
And
and then
Harau.
the lake of up and down,
Harau lake.
Harau,
Danau rendah,
Is the waterfall.
danau tinggi.
danau rendah, danau tinggi, maksudnya danau di atas, danau di bawah, oke?
Ya.
Okay?
Jelas.
Bukit Tinggi.
Bukit Tinggi.
Pariaman.
Pariaman,
Pariaman. Padang.
Padang,
Padang. Ja.
Padang Pariaman ya.
Ja, Padang Pariaman. Ook nog een andere Padang. Padang.
Satu lagi belum ya?
Padang.
Pesisir selatan, jembatan akar sudah?
Ya.
Jembatan akar. Jadi
Bagus.
rupanya Dan dan Els ini sudah pergi keliling Sumatera Barat yang orang Sumatera Barat belum tentu pergi ke situ.
Jelas.
Ya, jauh sekali ke pesisir selatan.
Nature is everywhere. Beautiful. Everywhere.
Semua alam yang ada di Sumatera Barat sangat indah, sangat bagus.
Jelas.
Cuma yang catatannya ya, yang on the street tetap harus jaga kebersihan. Oke, terakhir, apa yang bisa disampaikan untuk Sumatera Barat, pemerintahnya atau masyarakat Sumatera Barat?
Wat saya de regering zeggen.
Van hierover?
Ja, van hier. Semuanya bagus.
What is your suggest for us
Yes.
to improve the quality of the service?
Yes.
Service quality.
No.
Service quality is okay?
Yeah.
Excellent service. Okay.
Of course.
It was all fantastic.
The people is very nice.
The whole festival, it was more than we could think.
Okay.
Yes.
Luar biasa.
Yeah.
International Minangkabau Literacy Festival, it's very good organizer ya.
Ya,
Alhamdulillah, terima kasih banyak.
kembali.
Kalau nanti mau datang lagi ke Sumatera Barat,
Ya.
do you want to come here?
Maybe
No.
next year.
yes,
Maybe I don't know.
Yeah, yes.
I hope it.
For me, the most beautiful.
So, ada
Island.
pesan orang Padang, kalau yang jelek, kalau makanannya tak enak,
Ya,
sampaikan kepada kami.
betul.
Tetapi kalau enak dan enak sekali,
Bayar rendah.
ceritakan kepada semua orang bahwa makanan Sumatera Barat Minangkabau enak dan alam di Minangkabau indah sekali. Terima kasih sekali.
And kalau makan jangan pakai sendok, hanya pakai tangan. Makanannya lebih enak lagi.
Oke, makan
Silakan.
pakai tangan. You
Ya.
can use your hand
Ya.
to eat.
Kalau kering,
Yeah, I can.
kalau kering dia makan sama tangan. Betul.
I'm
Oke.
also I can do it. I'm not so accustomed.
Oke. Baik, thank you for
You welcome, ma'am.
bincang kita hari ini.
Silakan.
Terima kasih. Mohon maaf bila kita pergi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.